Lost both cars.
Lost both of our cars.
All our clothes. What we have on us.
This is all we have because everything in the apartment is wet.
So we're here in Everglades City. This is a small community. The eye did not come here, but because of the Everglades, the water rose, and there's only 1,500 people that live here. This is one of the stops that we're delivering aid for this group of people, and simultaneously we're in Fort Myers right now, and then we're going up to Bonita Springs. So these trucks will just be making pit stops everywhere throughout the coast. It's